Thank you for watching another episode of Snow's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today we are reviewing the Snowscape Christmas house. We are hesitant to recommend this kit unless you're looking for a problem to fix, which is up our alley here at Snow's Reviews, but maybe it isn't up yours. Okay, so my job at Snow's Reviews is we got these kits. They're definitely imperfect kits, but we still have fun building them, and I feel like it's my job to find a way to make them a little more perfect kit so they can still be enjoyed. And in this case, this little guy here is a roof attachment, and it's supposed to have this little red piece in there, and it just doesn't stick out far enough. So to make it stick out farther, what I'm doing is sticking a little piece of tissue in the bottom of the well there, so that way hopefully the red piece will stick out far enough to catch the part of the roof that it needs to, and that is just not quite enough. So I want to put another little piece in there, and then you'll see how it fits. I've already done that on the first two. Okay. All right. Oop. There we are. Okay, and then so here is the roof attachment. And so these are going to slide on those little red things, assuming that I got my things lined in the right spot. Oh, I think it does go like this, actually. And let's see here. There. One, two, three. Oh, I think the second one popped in the wrong spot. Ah, there we go. And there we go. Stay tuned at the end of this video for a talk about whether shopping on Temu is right for you. A big thank you to all who subscribe to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 250 subscribers by the end of November. Only 42 more to go. Yeehaw! On a Snow's Reviews rock scale of hardness of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we give this kit an 8. Looking at the instructions were in 2 booklets and were easy to follow, but had some shortcomings. The worst being was when to apply the decals. Frequently, instructions wait until the least convenient time to apply the decals instead of when they could have been applied the most easily. The other shortcoming was adding the bricks during steps distant from the area you're currently focused on, like on the other side of the build. I would get a few steps done only to find out I was missing some bricks because they were sneakily applied when my focus was at another area of the build. One area where LEGO excels is the whole build experience is well thought out, and that's not the case for this kit. This kit came with 2 light strands, presumably one for the inside and one for the outside. The instructions don't tell you how to install the interior lights, and to the exterior just has them randomly wrapped around everything on the outside. You may have realized that our channel doesn't typically review brand name LEGO kits. That's because to us, it'd be like reviewing whether Gordon Ramsay's cooking is any good. Of course it is. What you need to know, and the question we want to answer for you, is this brick kit a LEGO quality experience? I would say this kit was an inferior experience to LEGO by a number of measures. The bricks went together well enough, but keep in mind these are mini bricks, and so not even LEGO compatible. They're quite a bit smaller. There were 1,834 pieces at least, with a sizable number of bricks left over. It was kind of crazy how many were extra, actually. And I had no missing pieces. When assembling the roofs, there were pieces that had axles inserted into them. The axles supplied were too short, and I had to stuff little bits of tissue paper into the pieces to make them stick out far enough to catch the roof pieces they were supposed to go on to. As stated, this kit came with 2 white fairy light strands that can fast flash or slow flash or stay constant on, but they are poorly insulated and they seem to want to short out unless you make them unwrap them completely and straighten the wires out very well. Looking at what we liked the finished build. It produced a very fine looking winter snow covered cabin. Inside are some nice features, including some toys like a model airplane and a car, a Christmas tree and a fireplace. On the outside porch is a convincing telescope made of bricks. The lower level has a pair of sliding glass doors, and the exterior also has a nice decorated Christmas tree itself. The roof has a skylight that you can look through when the light is turned on. The upper story can easily be separated from the lower story. Looking at what we didn't like, making this list are some doors that can't open due to the poor design of the bricks around them. The lack of instructions on adding interior lighting wasn't great. I had to drill a hole in the floor to bring the lights from the lower level to the upper level. Again, the decal application steps were misplaced, and maybe worst of all, this kit did not come with a brick tool size to the bricks, so if you make a mistake, it can be hard to undo. Can a beginner do and enjoy this kit? I don't think so. Even some pretty experienced will find it a bit challenging. Will we do it again? No, probably not this kit anyway. We'll put it away at the end of Christmas and probably bring it out next year, but we're not going to rebuild it, that's for sure. Did you build a Snowscape Christmas house? What did you think? Put your comments below. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make your own Snowscape Christmas house. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click the link in the description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced for $3 a month. You get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 can help you decide what to love making next. Let's talk about Temu for a minute. I was very skeptical, and their app is like a very nutty game show, but now I'm convinced. When was the last time Amazon gave you money back for the late arrival of your product? Yeah, never. Temu will give you money back if a product shows up late. How much back? I got $13 back on a $145 shipment that arrived one day late. They sell the same goods as Amazon for literally a few bucks to double digits worth of discount. Though admittedly, sometimes your goods won't arrive in a box. The app regularly gives you opportunities for discounts and even free merch, but please be careful, it's tricky at times. But once you figure out how to make it work for you, you can save a lot over what you would pay at Amazon, again, for the exact same product. So think about it. Click the link in the description if you want to give it a whirl and prepare for the roller coaster ride that is the Temu app. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.